Hello everyone, welcome to Top and Best in Everything. Today we are back with another amazing video. Today we will talk about best extension, which are useful in managing your WordPress site. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel then please do it. We bring amazing content every day. With that being said, let's start the video. 1. WordPress Themes Sniffer. You visit a website and love the theme used in it and want to use it on your WordPress site but have no idea what theme is it. So how do you find the detail of the theme used in it? It's very simple. Use the Chrome extension, WordPress Themes Sniffer, the name of the theme on any WordPress site that you visit. This WordPress add-on for Chrome is more than simple to use. Just install the extension and start detecting active WordPress themes on the current website. Explore the beauty of finding the name of the theme used on the WordPress site within a single tab. Not just that, this awesome tool even detects active plugins and any customized work present on the WordPress site. Now never keep wondering about the name of any themes that anyone is using on the WordPress site you visit. 2. WordPress Admin Control. If you need to hide your admin bar or show it when you need it, then this extension is for you. Once you are working in the front end or back end of a WordPress site, then you frequently need to use the admin bar to switch back and forth from each end. But it also might feel annoying and get in the way sometimes when you are looking to design or take screenshots of the whole page. So no more botheration of admin bar control while working on a WordPress site. Now you can simply hide or show the admin bar with one simple click. So if you are in need of controlling the visibility of your admin bar on your WordPress site, then this is the Chrome add-on that you need to get. It will simply make your switching back from one admin panel to another a lot easier, along with its orange browser button that will hide the admin bar with just one click. 3. WordPress Site Manager. WordPress Site Manager is a pretty handy WordPress developer extension that will store your WordPress site information and allow quick and easy access to your site's main pages. Once you add it to your browser, submit the site details and start managing it. And if you operate on several WordPress sites, this is a handy helper since you can edit and make various basic adjustments and changes from within. 4. WordPress Style Editor. WordPress Style Editor will help you to style your WordPress theme. Normally, using the developer tools in Chrome, you can access your theme style sheet and make any changes you like. But these changes will be lost when you refresh your page. This extension will save the changes directly to the theme style sheet, without the need for any FTP. These changes happen in real time, so take extra care when you work with CSS. Also, it can modify only those style sheets that rest in the theme's root folder. This extension is great for making small changes to the theme without having to log in. 5. What runs? Want to learn more about a website in terms of analytics tools, frameworks, WordPress plugins, fonts and more? What runs is an extension for you. Use it to detect the technical information of a particular blog or a site. Anything from developer tools to ad networks to WordPress themes and plugins, What Runs will provide the insights. Furthermore, subscribe, and it will notify you when the sites you checked use new or remove old technology. Cool, right? 6. WordPress Plugin Search. Improve your plugin search experience while on WordPress.org depository. This Chrome extension replaces the default search with the search engine from Adendio.com, and that way you'll get plugins from both WordPress.org and CodeCanyon.com. Once you install it, you'll get smart filters for better search experience, a Try Now button for an instant plugin test drive, as well as additional information about the plugin in a better way. It's all about accessibility and UX, and we know a thing or two about that, too. 7. ScanWP. Another great tool for checking the details about the site theme and plugins it uses. ScanWP is a theme detector Chrome extension that gives you details about any specific WordPress site, what theme and plugin it uses. Moreover, it gives you additional details on estimated traffic, the keywords it ranks for, main ranking competitors and more. 8. Colorzilla. This extension for Chrome is loved mostly by designers and developers for having the ability to read color from any point of the browser. Its user can adjust the selected color and use it in another program. Moreover, using its eyedropper feature, the tool enables you to read any color code on and off of a WordPress site. The extension consists of some of the cool features like having a history of the recently picked color, automatic copy of colors to the clipboard, keyboard shortcuts, gradient generator via CSS, Photoshop-like excellent color picker, 7 pre-installed palettes with palette viewer, and more. It was first available for the Firefox browser only, but now it is also available for Chrome that became a huge hit among its users already. So now Chrome users get to do so much more, picking the color of their choice right from their browsers. 9. Grammarly. This handy and useful extension is a tool that I personally enjoy using. If you enjoy writing and want to enhance your writing capabilities on any kind of site, then can be no better extension than Grammarly. It also got a premium version that offers more advanced sentence-making functionalities. Truly an extension for the best experience in proofreading your on-site writings, documents, social network content, and more. It detects common grammatical errors, underlining them, and suggests the best possible correction to replace them right away while you are writing on your WordPress site and other writing platforms from Chrome. So use it if you are looking to create better and error-free content for your blogging site in WordPress and beyond. And for that, all you will need is to register and start improving your writing standard by all means. 10. Ahrefs SEO tool. If you are looking to position yourself in the search, then this extension could come in real handy for you. An awesome tool that enables you to have key SEO metrics like rating of your URL and domain, search volume, organic search traffic estimation, keyword difficulty, number of ranked keyword and backlinks, and more. You will be needing to have an Ahrefs account in order to enjoy all its insights and information related to SEO inside your Chrome browser. Get to quickly check the on-page SEO report of any page that you visit. It supports features and functionalities like title and description to help compare them in an HTML and rendered versions, canonical URL, word count, social tags, localizations, and more. There is also a broken link checker in this SEO toolbar add-on that can scan and detect web pages for any outgoing broken links. 11. wphive. wphive is an exclusive extension that provides an awesome repository for WordPress plugins. It provides its users with great insight and valuable metrics that enable anyone to get a complete idea about a plugin as available in WordPress.org. Once added to your Chrome browser, you will get to enjoy key insights and data of over 60,000 plugins whenever you search them through the official site. Right from your WordPress.org page, you will get to view all the useful validation results. Installing the extension will also include information on the plugin's impact on memory usage and page speed, PHP-related errors, warnings, notices and compatibility, version of WordPress it is compatible with, activation and resource error, how frequently the viewed plugin is updated, whether any issues were found during the testing phase of the plugin, as well as its optimized database footprint. Clearly a very handy extension for anyone looking for some deep and preliminary info on the searched plugin before actually making a decision on downloading it. This was our list for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you find it helpful, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That's all for today. See you all in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay safe.